G'day hobby friends, welcome to my messy hobby desk. Today I thought I was in the middle of assembling a whole bunch of Baron's War miniatures and I've got stuff everywhere, but I received the actual Baron's War box in the mail and I wanted to have a look at it. So let's have a cool look through. It's a nice box, nice artwork. Inside here, some nice painted miniatures, obviously like a knight, foot knight, some sergeants and good old peasant giving the old English salute, as it were. Artwork all over, it's pretty cool. I am a fan. Let's open her up. Break the seal, as it were. Snip, snip. Lead your retinue to glory on the medieval battlefield. Open her up. Nice. Some more examples here on the inside rim, which is nice little change here. Another Crusader Knight, Sergeant Crossbow, Sergeant with a horse pickaxe or a mace, whatever you want to call that, and an improvised weapon, I suppose. Some knights on the side, all around. Nice. So inside, we are faced with lots of sprues. We have here sergeants on foot. Sergeants on foot. Some bases. I don't really use the puddle bases. I like to use the typical Games Workshop 25mm, but I just cut them off. And then we have dice. So you've got 7 and 7, the D10s, black and white. And then you've got these, I think these are the morale, maybe the morale dice, I think. And then a random D6 or some description in there as well. Alrighty. More sprues. I'll get them all out and we'll count them up, shall we? Foot knights. Foot knights. Some more sergeants of foot. Sergeants of foot, long arm sprue, like options. Peasants. 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 And then scenery, terrain. 3, 4. So you got 4 of these scenery things. They're all the same? Yes, they are. Okay, I'm going to pull it all out and then I'll run through it all. And then some more bases. Then what do we have here? Oh, we have a miscellaneous head who's lost it. But that's all right. I'll just leave him in the box for later. Tokens. So that's your, I think, injury wounded tokens. That all comes apparent in the rules. We have the Getting Started Baron's War, 2nd edition, like in a starter, quick start guide, as it were. An introduction. Identifying and assembling your 28mm plastic miniatures. Nice. It's got a nice guide here too. Knight's frame, sergeant's frame, levy frame. So it tells you how to put them together, gives you a name of what all the different weapons are meant to be. Ah, I like it. Quick idea of how to put them together. A bit like the old Games Workshop of old, as it were. These quick start guides, it's nice to see. And then we've got here a 500-point retinue. And then the blue retinue, Baron, 53 points. Okay. Scenarios, ambush. Quick reference sheet, how to put it out. Normally. Okay, and so you've got your basic quick reference sheets here. Nice. Very nice. And Baron's War by Andy Hobday. And then this is the rule book. Quick flick through. Nice. Some beautiful artwork here. I love it how they set them up and you can, you can't really see the base of the miniatures. It really puts them in world, as it were. Nice. I am a fan. I think I paid the princely sum of 150 Australian dollars for this kit, which is not bad, really, when you think about it. You get the rule book, and then we're going to get enough peasants to make. So basically, you're getting 3 box sets, which probably sell for around $60 to $70 each, depending on where you buy them from. 24 peasants. You're getting 12 foot knights, or knight of foot, and then you get foot sergeants, I believe. Yep, 24 foot sergeants, along with the polearm sprue. And you are also receiving, what's that? Those? That's 6, 10, 24. 48, whatever. You got lots of those. All right, cool. And then the scenery. The scenery I'm very excited for. This looks great. So you can make some cracking stuff, putting those together. Nice crates and all of that. Barrels, wine barrels to hide behind. Now, this is cool. I'm going to really enjoy this. This is great. Wargames Atlantic, you've put together a great kit. I'm just going to pop these away for now because I'm going to read these rules and I have plenty of other sprues to work on, as it were. So there you go, hobby friends. Baron's War. I have some reading to do. I've already had a read through the supplement King John, which just turned up faster as I had a cracker deal on it. I think this is a game that I'm going to thoroughly enjoy. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on Baron's War, whether or not it's a game that you're interested in getting into. If there's another game I should have a look at, I have been considering Oathmark. There's also the expansion War Host I want to have a look at too. But yeah, hobby friends, till next time, keep crafting.